How can we fix the error of reaching the maximum message limit in POE AI? Well, this happens when we've used a lot of bots, right? Different bots, or rather different LLMs, artificial intelligence tools. We'll get an error saying we're maxed out, okay? So what does this mean? It means we have two options. Either wait for it to reset, like waiting a day for more credits, or subscribe. Got it. In other words, get a paid plan. As you can see, the paid plans start from 10,000 points per day, starting at $6 a month, up to 1 million points per month, okay? There's also 2.5 million points per month and more, alright? As you can see, prices go up from there. So how much does each bot cost? Well, that depends on how much you use it. In other words, asking about today's weather is different from describing a day in a 40-page Turkish novel, right? Clearly, the second option will take much longer, use more tokens, and therefore cost more points. So, is 10,000 points a day a lot? Well, no, it's not really that much, okay? It's true we can do quite a bit with it, but it's not an excessive amount. By the way, they give us 300 points daily for free, alright? It's free, as stated here, 300 points, and if we go to settings, you can see remaining point. The 300 reset after some time, okay? So 10,000 points daily might not be much, but it could make a big difference, who knows? So yeah, just keep that in mind.